Alright, I'm back here with another unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while. So yeah, I just got this from eBay like about an hour ago. So yeah, this is the plarail C12. I used to really be into Tomy. There's my old Tomy Thomas. It's really tired. So yeah, the C12s are probably my favorite Japanese locomotives. Probably my favorite tank engine, at least in Japanese tank engine. Um, I'd like to get the Thomas version of it. So yeah, I'm gonna open it quickly. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. So I hit to pause it because it just would not cut foam, I guess. And yeah, that's it. There's the engine. I might actually keep the box. I don't normally keep boxes, but I might keep this one. So yeah, this is the C12. I didn't really buy this for any particular reason. I didn't buy it for like a custom reason. I just wanted one. So yeah, I'm gonna put the battery in, and I'm gonna show it running. So this actually, the battery goes in this thing much more differently than other plarails I have. I'm used to just taking the whole shell off. This has the wheel, yeah. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, I'm gonna run it around this layout that I built, and yeah, I'm back. I got Thomas running as well. Even though he's got a new battery in him, he's very sluggish. He's very old. So yeah. I wanted to do this quick strength test with the C12 if it can actually pull it, and it can. Hopefully it nothing tips over. And it's, you know, so it kept on derailing. So I'm just trying out the Trackmaster 2 and this non-Trackmaster 2 wagon, but it's small enough. And it seems to be working. These wheels, especially this car,